Here we have our basic bench model auger filler. This is a B350E with the new touchscreen. Today we're going to run some ground coffee on this machine. I currently have it set up for a 4-ounce fill. We'll switch over to an 8-ounce fill and I'll show you how to change the recipes. The first thing we need to do is get this machine out of e-stop and give it some control power. So we're going to turn the e-stop, hit the reset button. Now the machine is ready to start, so we're going to put it in run mode, waiting for initiation. So as you can see in the bottom left corner, we're in recipe number 1. Recipe number 1 is for a 4-ounce fill of coffee, and it's going to take us 3.62 revolutions to fill that 4 ounces. I can hit the foot switch and we'll do our first cycle. Now we're going to switch from recipe number 1 to recipe number 2. To do that, we need to stop the machine, click on the recipe number. We're going to go from 1 to 2, hit enter. Now we're in recipe number 2. You can see this is for an 8-ounce fill of coffee, and it's going to take us double the amount of revs, 7.2 revolutions. Although it's really easy to switch between recipes, some of our customers prefer keeping a cheat sheet on the side of their screen showing the amount of revolutions for each fill. So instead of switching a recipe, I can click on the revolutions right here, change it from 3.63 to 7.2. So that was how to change recipes on our model B350E auger filler. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to your regional salesman, or you can email sales@allfill.com.